Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today we're tackling something we've all dealt with at some point. Bad breath. Yes, that dreaded moment when you realize your breath could clear a room. You know, that moment when you're talking to someone and they start backing away like you're a dragon breathing fire? Yeah, let's fix that. It's not just embarrassing, it can really affect your confidence. In this video, I'll break down why your mouth might smell less than fresh and give you super simple ways to kick that odor to the curb. Trust me, these tips are game changers. Stick around, hit that like button if you're ready to smell amazing, and let's dive in. Your social life will thank you. First up, let's talk about why your breath might be funky. Understanding the cause is the first step to solving the problem. Bad breath, aka halitosis if you want to get fancy, usually comes from a few common culprits. And no, it's not just about forgetting to brush your teeth. Here's the rundown. Let's break it down step by step. Number 1. Poor oral hygiene. The mouth naturally houses lots of bacteria, which must be kept at bay before they wreak havoc. Regular brushing and flossing help keep the bacteria in check. If you're not brushing or flossing, food particles hang out in your mouth like uninvited guests. These particles can get stuck between your teeth and gums, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. Bacteria love this stuff. They eat it, multiply, and release stinky gases. It's like a bacteria party in your mouth, and trust me, you don't want to be the host. Think rotten eggs or old gym socks. Yeah, it's that bad. Gross, right? But don't worry, it's totally fixable. Next up, what you eat and drink. Garlic, onions, coffee, these are breath killers. They might taste great, but they leave behind smelly compounds. They leave smelly compounds in your system that come out when you exhale. It's like your breath is announcing what you had for dinner. So, that garlic bread from last night? Delicious, but it's basically haunting you. The smell lingers and can be quite persistent. Dry mouth is another biggie. Saliva's like your mouth's natural cleaner. It washes away bacteria. Without enough saliva, your mouth becomes a dry desert where bacteria thrive. But if you're dehydrated, snoring, or breathing through your mouth all night, you wake up with what I call desert breath. It's not a pleasant way to start the day, not cute, and definitely not fresh. Swollen gums is another source of foul smell, especially gums at the interdental areas. These are not readily accessible during brushing. They harbor bacteria and food remnants. Imagine the results of fermentation. And sometimes it's not even your mouth. Sinus infections, tonsil stones, those little white chunks in the back of your throat, or even stomach issues can sneak bad smells into your breath. It's like a hidden culprit you didn't even know about. Wild, huh? But it's true. Alright, now the good stuff, how to banish bad breath for good. These tips are easy, cheap, and you can start today. No need for expensive treatments or fancy gadgets. Let's go. Grab a pen and paper if you need to take notes. Step 1. Brush and floss like a champ. Twice a day, 2 minutes each time. Get those teeth and your tongue. Make it a part of your daily routine. That fuzzy coating on your tongue? It's a bacteria hotel. And you definitely want to check out of that hotel. Scrape it off with a tongue scraper or your brush. It makes a huge difference. Floss gets the gunk between teeth. Don't skip it. It's just as important as brushing. Step 2. Watch what you eat. Avoid garlic and onions before a date. Obvious, right? But also be mindful of other strong-smelling foods. Crunchy stuff like apples or celery actually cleans your teeth while you chew. It's like a natural toothbrush. Nature's toothbrush, plus they're healthy snacks. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your mouth moist and flushes out the stink makers. It's one of the simplest ways to keep your breath fresh. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Your breath and your skin will thank you. Hydration is key to overall health. Quick fix? Chew sugar-free gum or suck on a mint. It boosts saliva and masks odors. Perfect for on-the-go freshness. Pro tip: xylitol gum fights bacteria too. Double win. It's like a secret weapon against bad breath. Step 5. Mouthwashes. These contain ingredients that can reduce oral bacteria, or in some cases kill them. They could be very useful, but should never replace mechanical toothbrushing. Excessive use of mouthwashes should be avoided as it can stain your teeth and/or alter your taste. Step 6. Warm saline mouth rinse. Add a level full spoon of salt to warm water and hold in your mouth for 60 seconds. This works like magic. The salt solution kills the bacteria and resolves the swollen gum. Repeat at least 2 times a day. Be careful not to swallow the solution, and if nothing works, see a dentist. Chronic bad breath could mean gum disease, tonsil stones, or something deeper. It's important to get professional advice if the problem persists. Don't just live with it, get it checked. Your health is worth it. So there you have it. Bad breath happens because of bacteria, fermented food, types of foods you eat, swollen gums, dry mouth, or health stuff, but you've got the power to fix it. With a few simple changes, you can have fresh breath all day long. Brush, hydrate, chew some gum, and you'll be breathing confidence in no time. It's all about taking small steps for big results. Which tip are you trying first? I'm curious to know what works best for you. Drop it in the comments. I want to know. Your feedback helps everyone. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health hacks, and hit that bell so you don't miss out. We've got plenty more tips coming your way. See you next time. Stay fresh, fam. Keep smiling and stay confident. Remember, health, vitality, and longevity.